The best indicator on TradingView is available for free today, and I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on that. Guys, I used to spend hours marking up my charts and getting it wrong. So all you have to do, guys, is try for free with the link down below. I'm going to show you how the indicator works and how I've been making money on every pair out there, all right now. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Let's check out this indicator. So guys, on my TradingView, you can see clearly the indicator here. Now, I want to make it very, very easy for you. Once you go to the Telegram, you speak to the support, they're going to tell you exactly how you set this up. It is super, super easy. And then all you got to do is start taking your trades. And guys, this works for anything that you want to do. Let's go, for example, for XRP, okay, to USDT. Again, it works here as well. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this indicator is absolutely mind-blowing, okay? And the reason is because it tells you when to buy and when to sell. Now, not only do you have to be stuck here for 24 hours looking at the screen, oh, when's it gonna say short? You can set an alert. So I'm gonna show you all this today. So let's go into this. So you see here, long and short. This just means buy and sell. Long is buy, short is sell. It is telling us, guys, that when a long signal comes, we want to buy the price, okay? We want to buy here. We are then gonna buy and allow it to run up until we decide when to take the trade out. Now, this is where your risk management comes in. If it says short, it's telling you to sell, okay? Now, you can actually see here, guys, which is something really cool, because I'm gonna show you where you put the stop losses very soon. If we were to sell at this point here, you could have took your price here at 9%. You could have took your price here at 22%. You could still be letting it ride and still be nearly 10%, 9.5% in profit. That's how powerful this indicator is. Now, people ask me all the time, where do you put your stop losses? This is the rule. You see this area, the red and the blue. Wherever the line meets is where your stop loss is gonna go. So what that means, here, you buy this long, okay? It's told you to buy, so you buy. Your stop loss will be, you go down until it touches the line, okay? If that doesn't make sense to anyone, I'm gonna do it one more time, okay? If you told to sell here, okay, where would the stop loss be? It would be in the exact same line as the sell on the red line. So this stop loss would be here. And as you can see, it did not get triggered. Okay, so let's go through some more examples quickly. Let's go through this next buy here and shorts, okay? So this long, you can see it says long here. The stop loss would be at the bottom of the long when it meets the blue line. Okay, if it says short or buy, exact same. So that's how you put it on, guys, all right? Absolutely incredible. It's very, very easy. And like I said, you could use this for anything. It doesn't just have to be XRP or BTC. It could be anything you want, and it works, guys. If we go to BTC and have a look, you can start to see some incredible shorts. So if we put a short on here, guys, let me just mark this up for you because this is absolutely insane, all right? If we put a short on Bitcoin on one of the shorts that came up, okay, you can see here, we'd be at a total now of 20%, which is mad. Okay, it's absolutely mental. So please, please make sure that you do get involved in this. Now, the most important part I want to tell you is you don't have to stare at the screen all day. You can set alerts, guys. You see this button here, alerts? Okay, you can actually set these alerts and the customer support will help you do this, okay? You can set it when the signals are gonna come up. It's very, very easy, guys, okay? You go to the signaler. Okay, and it's going to allow you to set the alerts when the algorithm points out a short or a long. All right, simply create, guys, and next time it comes up, it will alert saying, hey, here's a short, here's a long, and you can just jump on here and then buy and sell. Very, very easy. All right, guys, and as you can see here in the channel, TheSignaler VIP, they're always posting results in here, guys. 396% on this, 296. People are making crazy money. You see here, 2,153.1%. Unbelievable, all right? So, guys, this is all you have to do. You have to click this link. It's going to take you to the bot where you're going to click start. After you've done that, it's going to offer you, do you want a one-day free trial? Do you want a monthly plan of $99 a month? Or do you want $350 per lifetime? You're going to click one-day free trial just to begin, okay? Enter your trading username. And there you go, guys. It's going to go free and your free trial has been activated. After one day, this will be taken away from you. So then you want to go to your lifetime. Okay, and you want to choose lifetime and pay with crypto. You can pay with any crypto. Simply choose which one you want to do, whether you want to do it with USDT, TON, Bonk, Sol, whatever. Okay, you choose it, it'll tell you how much you need to pay, and then you simply pay, and that's it. You have access for the rest of your life. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit the link, go to the 1-day free trial, and just try for yourself. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you next time.